Thank you very much, Mike Gitonga, for giving me this opportunity. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, the clergy, the family of Western Kerocho, the Cabinet Secretaries with us this morning, led by my Cabinet Secretary, Mukoboyagu, within the Minister of Interior, none other than Kipchumba Murkomen, na wale wengine wote, all the Principal Secretaries with us here, members of Parliament, members of the County Assembly with us here, all the leaders present, our mourners, friends. My name is Douglas Kanja. I'm the firstborn of the family of Mzee Kerocho Kanja. And let me start by saying, Your Excellency, that as a family, we are very happy. We are happy because you have come to mourn with us. We're joined by the other leaders, including the governor of this great county of Laikipia. We are happy. We feel supported by this government. Mzee Kerocho Kanja had two wives. My own mother, Jedida Wajiko Kerocho, and my stepmother, Catherine Wajiko Kerocho. We are all 12 in number. He had 12 children, 2 boys and 10 girls. Each mama had 1 son. Kanja is from Jedida Wajiko, and George Kerocho is from Catherine Wajiko. And then from there, we have sisters. That is why I'm also a big supporter of gender, because of where I have come from. I am also of the school of thought that where the two genders work together, there is also always harmony and progress. That is why I support that direction. Number 2, Your Excellency, I would wish to introduce our immediate family members to the mourners who are with us here today. And I would wish that my mothers, Jedida Wajiko, Catherine Wajiko, both of them wives to Kerocho Kanja, tafadhali simameni. You wave to the people. Asanteni sana, keti. Next, I would wish that all the children of Kerocho Kanja, please stand up, led by Millicent Gavigia, Mary Mudhoni Kanja, my wife, simama, George simama, wife to George simama, watoto wetu wote simameni. Mr. Kamuri simama hapo. Mr. Kamuri, what he is not saying is that Kerocho is his grandfather. So he is a member of this family. Sit down. Asanteni sana. The late Kerocho Kanja had many grandchildren and even great-grandchildren. They are with us here. Along the lines, Your Excellency, Last year, we were here. My late dad was born on 29th February, 1940. 29th is a leap year. So 29th February being a leap year, he always celebrated his birthday after every 4 years. Myself, I celebrate mine every year annually. And the rest of our family members, they all celebrate the years annually. However, his used to happen after every 4 years. So last year, we were here. And we celebrated in his church, the church that he normally go. But the funny thing, Your Excellency, is that every 4 years, we have new members of the family who are not in the last birthday. Meaning, we have new members such that they were born in the course of that time, and they have even joined schooling. So we always used to celebrate, and it was such a great fun, actually. Last year we did it here, and we decided also to rebuild our church, the church that we are still continuing in that direction. My father, as was mentioned here before, he taught us great values. He is a strong believer that we should never give up. We should never give up at all. And forward ever, backward never. That is actually what he used to tell me. Even reminding me, even during the very difficult times, he always reminded me that always be forward looking. Don't look back. Keep up. He taught us the virtues of integrity, great values, and respect to the others. Hard work. This is something that he always reminded us. And that's the reason why we are grateful to our dad. Our last-born sister here, is now 30 years old. She is married, she got 2 children, ako na kwake. And each one of us, kila mtu ako na kwake. I come from Ken East, upande ya Ken East sub-county, just very near to Sagana State Road, not very far from there. That is my home. All of us, we come from Madeira. That is where we have been brought up. So he has left a family that is stable, a family that is forward-looking, and a family that knows those values that we must keep on forging forward. We must keep on moving forward. We need not look there. And those values have kept us moving. And we will keep the fire burning. We will never let those values leave us as a family. Yes, we remember him. I don't call him even when I'm in Nairobi, and then I go, Dad, see you show me buzi hapo saa 8 tu. And then he say, okay, fine. Wacha tuweke buzi kwa moto. And true, by 5 here, all of us enjoying our buzi choma, getting some very good stories from him, and that is his life. That is what we will actually miss from him. Otherwise, we will continue to ensure that his values, we will continue to teach our children, we will continue to teach our children, and so for the virtues that were taught by our father to us. I want to pay special tribute to him because I'm also a grandfather. Like he is a grandfather and a great-grandfather, myself, I'm also a father and a grandfather. So he has actually left me on that trajectory. And I believe that he has left us in very, very, very good hands. And that is the reason why we want to really celebrate his life. He has lived his full life of 85 years, and we have really celebrated. We have seen him working hard to support us, to educate us, to ensure that he puts food on the table for his family, and all those other values. And we really want to appreciate our dad. Finally, I must mention that as a family, we are grateful to the kind of support that we have gotten from all peoples of all walks of life, starting with His Excellency, the President, the government of His Excellency, the President, Cabinet Secretaries, the Principal Secretaries, ordinary Kenyans. We have gotten a lot of support, and to me, that is really very, very important. I've been supported by my colleagues, the Deputy Inspector Generals, Mr. Rangat, Mr. Masegeri, the DCI, Mr. Amin, and other colleagues that we work together. They have actually supported us. They have made the road very right for us. And that is the reason why I feel very